Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I wanted to talk to you guys about something that all of us do. Maybe all of us do. I don't know. Laugh on my camera. And it's something I come across a lot in consultations with customers and clients and just everything basically. I want to talk to you today about makeup wipes. And I mean like face makeup removal, face makeup. Please, you know what I mean. Now, I usually explain to everyone how I feel about makeup wipes. So I saw a video on YouTube recently here, and it was a video and it was a kind of like, what's better, makeup wipes or baby wipes to remove your makeup? First of all, none of them. The video made me feel sick. But like I said, I know a lot of people that use them every single day. They use them in different ways, whether it's to take off all their makeup, as like a pre-cleanse, as an after cleanse, all these other things. And I kind of get it. They're easy to use, it's super fast. When you're feeling really lazy, like you want to go through a whole almost hour-long, well for me, hour-long skincare routine, I do get it. It's so easy just to grab a wipe and wipe everything off. And although I do have a really good kind of set in place skincare routine, even I have a pack of wipes by my bed just in case one day I'm like, I just, you know what, sometimes I just feel so lazy and I'm embarrassed admitting it. This is how I feel about makeup wipes. I have a pack right next to my bed, and if I'm feeling really terrible, I don't wear a lot of makeup. I will literally wear foundation like a brow pencil, and that's pretty much it. So if I'm feeling really lazy and I don't want to take all that off and I don't want to go through my whole cleansing process, then I'll grab a wipe. So are wipes bad? And what are they actually doing to our skin? And actually mainly, what are they not doing to our skin? And how often, if at all, should we actually be using them? Just before we get into this, let me know in the comments below if you use makeup wipes every day, or how often do you use them? What do you use them for? And also as well, if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Robert. I'm a professional makeup artist, and it is my goal here on YouTube to help you become a pro yourself. So if that sounds like something you are interested in, consider subscribing to my channel. Let's get on with it. Let me just spill facts at you. So first thing is first, here's the facts. Makeup wipes do not clean your skin. They do not remove makeup. All they actually do is move makeup and dirt around your skin, leaving behind dead skin cells, old makeup, crap that's been on your face throughout the day. So although the wipe might physically have makeup on it, and it might appear like you're getting a good cleanse, you do still have like the remain of makeup and the remain of dead skin and the remain of pollution and like, you know, just the day on your face. One thing a lot of people don't realize is that makeup wipes, and I've used makeup wipes on people to take off makeup that they have on before I'm putting new makeup on them, if that makes sense, because I can't go and wash someone's face. And sometimes they have maybe a reaction to the wipe, or it's very irritating. I never use wipes around the eyes, I always use a makeup remover, but especially if I'm using it on the face, a lot of people have reactions to wipes and their face can get really irritated. And that's something wipes can do to your face, whether you realize it or not. It's kind of irritating the surface of your skin. And the main thing that causes irritation is the fact that wipes, if you imagine a wipe, it's basically a bag of a makeup remover with wipes in it. So they're soaked in the makeup remover, but if you think about what has to be in those wipes and in that casing, in that bag, for those wipes to last a long time, there's preservatives in there that have to be in there because it has to stop the wipes from becoming contaminated. I don't know about you, but sometimes I don't actually close the actual seal properly. So something in there has to stop the air from contaminating the wipes. I don't know if you guys realize, but everyone is kind of like, you know, anti-parabens, and that's because it's a preservative. That's all it is, it's a fancy word for a kind of preservative. There are still preservatives in stuff, they're just not called parabens, if that makes sense. And there's a bunch of other bad things in that wipe, things I can't even pronounce, you know, and you know overall, if you can't pronounce it, you maybe shouldn't use it. Sometimes. So all these harsh ingredients, you're really increasing the risk of developing irritation on your skin. And it doesn't have to be an immediate like irritation, it can be something that develops over time. There's also the action of scrubbing with a wipe. So wipes are soft, they're like tissues basically. But this constant wiping every single day, your face goes red when you use a wipe. Anyone who uses a wipe, their face goes slightly red because you're bringing blood to the surface of your skin because you're using your hand to wipe. That pressure on your hand and that abrasive texture, it's not really abrasive with a wipe, it's just a little bit harsher than water, for example, that we would use to cleanse our skin. But that constant repetitiveness of using that motion over time can lead to eventual uneven pigmentation on the skin. So for example, you may find you're getting red in some areas, your skin may look dull in some areas as well. But in terms of actually cleansing your face, do baby wipes or cleansing wipes do this? This is the thing, think about applying your cleanser, either one that you use water with, and then just leaving it on your face. The kind of thing with a wipe is that it has a high concentration of those cleansing ingredients. It has to, because it has to do the whole work with just one wipe. And then after that, you can't wipe anything off your face. There's always like a residue left on the skin. And I've actually had people say to me, I like the kind of oily feeling it leaves on the skin. Not all of them do, some of them are made for oily skin, but you still have that feeling on the skin, whether it's tight or whether there's a slight like moisture on the skin. But leaving that on the skin, if you think about it, that's all those preservatives, it's all those things that we can't pronounce. Leaving that on the skin, even if you follow it up with your skincare, it can lead to dry skin, irritation, aging faster, even allergic reactions. All these things can happen by leaving a layer on your face. So let's talk about baby wipes, as in the things you wipe a child's bum with. Think about how they're made for a child. They're so gentle and they're so soft. They're gonna have less of these irritating ingredients, less cleanser, because it's not a facial cleanser. There's no makeup remover in a baby wipe, first of all. It's gonna do less of a job than a cleansing wipe would. So if we're thinking about how cleansing wipes leave makeup and dead skin and all this crap on your face, a baby wipe isn't gonna do any better. It's gonna do worse. It's gonna be even more gentle and leave all that stuff in your face more than a cleansing wipe would. So in that case, you're pretty much just sleeping in your makeup, or you might as well just sleep in your makeup, because you're not unclogging your pores of anything, you're not cleansing properly, you're not lifting that dirt and that grime and that makeup off of the face, you are moving it around. Water is a part of a cleansing process that then sweeps all that away. So of course, there are times, like I said at the beginning, I have makeup wipes and I use them when I'm feeling really lazy, but every time I use them, I feel like it ages me by like 5 years, and I feel like my skin is going to be crap, because it does. If you're using makeup wipes all the time, you may have amazing skin now, but wait 20 years, wait and see what happens to your skin. But like I said, there are times where we cannot be bothered. Here's the thing, here's an alternative. For me, there's not much difference in the process of buying a bottle of micellar water and then pouring that on a cotton pad and then wiping. You're still wiping, it's still quick, it's still dead easy. You just need to pour something onto the pad, you know? But the difference between that and a wipe is that micellar water literally lifts dirt off the skin. It's the main thing that you want from cleansing, is to lift that dirt away from the face. And yes, there are micellar wipes, but remember, those wipes in the packet require all those extra ingredients and almost a double amount of cleansing ingredients that you're gonna leave on your skin, and all those preservatives that have to preserve the moisture and the wipe that can be really harmful to your skin. There is no difference in wiping a cotton pad of micellar water on your face against using a wipe over your whole face. There really is no difference. In terms of the action, in terms of the cleansing, there definitely is. Guys, just wash your face. Please just wash your face. It literally, like, if you're really into skincare, please look into this. Please think about your face. It's right here. Everyone's gonna see it forever and ever and ever. So, well, until that day. But look after it. Wipes is a quick, easy solution. I use wipes to clean the back of my hand if I'm doing makeup. I use wipes to occasionally, if I see there's like a dusty bedside table, I'll grab a wipe and I'll wipe it. Wipes aren't meant to be used every single day, and there are ones that are called daily, all this stuff. It's all bullshit. It's one of the biggest money makers because it is such an easy solution, and it's almost been mismarketed to people as a solution for cleansing or an alternative to cleansing. That's absolutely not the case. But anyway, like I said, let me know below if you use wipes, when you use wipes. Argue your case. I'm never gonna agree with you, ever, you know? Once again, please subscribe. Go and follow me on Instagram. I have a lot of pictures on there, makeup, things like that. And I also post now when I'm gonna post a new video. But yes, thank you so much, guys. I will see you very soon. Bye.